In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the exact path in QuickBooks so you can confidently grant someone access to your books. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need to be signed in as a primary or company admin to add users. If you don't have that level of access, you won't see the options we'll use today. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into the company you want to manage. You might land on the dashboard or the Get Things Done page. Either is fine. What matters is that you're inside the correct company file. Next, look to the upper right corner for the settings menu. It's the small gear icon. Click that to open your settings. This menu is your hub for account and company options, so it's the fastest way to get to user management. From the settings menu, select Manage Users. This opens the page where all current users and their roles are listed. It's also where you'll handle user invitations and permissions in the future, so it's a good page to bookmark if you manage access regularly. Now, click Add User. That button starts the setup flow for the new person you want to invite. From here, QuickBooks will guide you through a few straightforward prompts. You'll see options for user types like Company Admin, Standard User, Reports Only, or Time Tracking Only. Choose the option that matches what the person needs to do. A helpful rule is to grant only the access they require, nothing more. If you pick Standard User, you can fine-tune what they can see and do, such as sales, expenses, or specific customers and vendors. You'll then enter the person's name and work email so QuickBooks can send them an invitation. The invite comes from Intuit, so let them know to check their inbox and spam folder. The account won't be active until they accept the invite. If needed, you can resend or revoke invitations right from the Manage Users page. A couple of tips as you work. Some QuickBooks. Online subscriptions have limits on the number of users, so if you don't see the option to add more, you may be at your plan's limit. Also, if you can't find Manage Users or the Add User button, double-check that you're signed in with admin rights. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks, opened the Settings menu, gone into Manage Users, and started the Add User process. Once the invite is accepted, you can return here anytime to adjust roles, update permissions, or remove access as your team's needs change.